Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert multiple DWG files to Word. Search on Google Bitrecover DWG Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your DWG files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing DWG files. Select DWG Files folder. Check the file. Click on Dock. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 1 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted Word files. Get any full license version for complete file conversion without any watermark.